So I'm Dylan with Selene Americas, this is Paul, and this is Jenny, and we're at the brand new facility being built, as you can see, in Jet Turn at Zhuhai. It's December and the weather is perfect right now.
It's quite lovely.
Absolutely awesome. Behind us, you can see a 54 that is going to Thailand. It's just about finished, about a week, 2 weeks to go.
A week.
Yeah. Behind us as well is going to be a new marina we're putting in. We're just actually looking at the plans, and we're going to start walking through this brand new 400,000 square feet.
Yep.
400,000 square foot facility that we haven't built. So we're in the middle assembly hall. On either side of us, there's another assembly hall the same size as this one. And on this side of me, there's lamination and there's a painting area. So yeah, we're gonna start walking and have a look.
Yeah, last time we were here was a couple months ago, so we wanted to show you progress on how quickly this structure is going up. Not only is Dylan our technical director for Selene Americas, but he's also been consulting on this build. So we're really excited to be able to show you some of the progress.
Yeah, so I was here almost a month ago, maybe a little longer than a month ago, and there were no floors and no roof. So all we had was the just the big steel frame. So it's really moving along quickly, and it's huge.
It is huge. It's pretty impressive to see in person.
So we're thinking we can roll more than 40 boats a year out of our new facilities combined. At our old facility, we were 8 to 12, was pretty maximum.
Yep.
And then, so being able to push 40 boats out is going to be really impressive. And then we have a bunch of offices headed up over on this side as well, looking at the water for client buildings and all the managers. So we're really excited. The next part is going to be start putting in all the dust collection and all the tool controls and tool rooms. So we've got a ways to go.
Yeah, but it's coming along quickly. We're excited to have some office space up here as well. Be able to see sunsets over the river out here, which is a beautiful spot. And we're excited for all the expanded capacity to be able to help more people get onto a new Selene.
And this is a Saturday, so we only have a very small amount of workers working. This is the only day we could do this without getting run over by machines and cranes. So,
Which we appreciate.
We don't want to be run over.
So, and just to give folks a little more context, we're essentially in the Pearl River Delta. So it's a great location for us to be able to launch the boats
And sea trial.
do sea trials out of here, as well as some owners choose to pick up their boats here in Asia and be able to do some cruising over here. And like these boats were built to do, be able to do a circumnavigation even.
Yeah, and long-range cruising in Asia is pretty amazing. We got the Philippines near us and Hong Kong, all the islands of Hong Kong. It's a beautiful area to be. And this time of year, we're really happy. It's fantastic. So we're almost at the end of the building now. We still got a little ways to go. So what was it, a year ago, Paul? You and I were sitting on a bench here being shelled with fireworks.
Yeah, the opening ceremony for the groundbreaking ceremony was quite an event. Lots of fireworks. This was all just a dirt field, so it's really fun to, within this year, see all the progress that's happened. It's expanding the factory.
Yeah, really something.
Yeah, so some of the things that we wanted to point out include, last time we did a video, we showed just some of the framing going up with some of the steel structure. Like Dylan said, even last time he was here, no floors, no roof. Now we actually have walkways with stairs to the different levels. And again, starting putting the plans in place for some of the office areas that will be at the higher levels within the facility. So,
and for us as a facility, having a dedicated painting area is going to be a real plus. So being able to control that quality, keep the dust down, and keep the environmental conditions as we want them. Yeah, that's gonna really push forward progress as well as quality.
Yeah, we're really excited to continue to elevate our capabilities here at the yard and really have a world-class facility. And we love for anyone who ever wants to come visit. It's always a great time coming here to the factory.
Yeah, so we're standing where the new marina is going to be. So you can see the factory on this side of us. There's an architectural ramp. There's going to be a little lighthouse here, kind of a gatekeeper area. And then all of that whole area between us and the building is all the new marina. So we've got a 250-ton travel lift and travel lift dock going in where those old buildings that are getting pulled down are. We've got a giant covered boathouse going in, which we can fit, I think, one 100-foot vessel, one 125-foot vessel, and two 60-foot boats right inside a covered shed. And we have 5 or 6 foot, we can fit 60-footers inside this brand new marina, which is all this area. And then we'll continue with the rest of the boats we have being able to be parked on the river all the way along the Pearl River here. So it's a pretty huge upgrade we're doing.
Yeah, really adding a lot of capacity with modern facilities. Really excited for this piece as well. Howard Chen has been actually behind a lot of the designs for the expansion of the marina as well as the new factory. Again, Dylan has been consulting on certain aspects of this big project. And I'm excited to see a lot more Selene yachts here in the marina.
Yeah, and another thing to note is this is actually our facility. We're not renting this from anybody. We're not using other workers. Like, this is 100% Selene. This is for Selene's. So that's a real difference for us. It lets us really keep pulling the quality in, and it lets us build the teams we want with the workers. And that's a big investment, right? Like, it takes a long time to train somebody to how to build a ship. You can't just pick them up overnight.
Yeah, it was really fun last night. There's a ceremony that Howard has on Friday where he's really appreciating the workers, giving out some gifts. We were able to be part of that. It really showed the workers the appreciation. It's like Howard says, he really believes that this is, we talk about the Selene family that extends to the workers at the yard as well, really treating the workers as family too. So,
and definitely Jenny.
Definitely Jenny. Jenny's is super help for us. So Alana started about a year ago. And Jenny really helps us. She started off with helping us with providing parts for current owners. And now she's expanding into other responsibilities, so she continues to grow in the business.
A lot of our owners will know Candy. That name's pretty amazing here in the low arena. And Jenny's our newest part of the team.
Yeah, so we're excited to be able to share with you the progress of what's happening here at the yard.
Yeah,
and we hope that you tune in to come see some more of our videos and come visit here in person someday too.
Pretty fun.
Yeah. Thanks, everyone.